Hey everyone, this is Matt from U CAN UKE, and I'm so excited to announce that the other day we finally reached the milestone of 250,000 YouTube subscribers for this channel. That's 250,000 people. That's just so amazing. And so thank you for your support. Thank you for investing in this U CAN UKE community. And as a way for us to celebrate that milestone together, I'm going to be giving away a free travel uke courtesy of my friends from Flight Music. It's a solid instrument. It's made out of this ABS plastic. Yeah, I'm really punching that pretty hard, but it's not going to dent. It's not going to scratch. You can travel with it everywhere that you go. I certainly bring this with me in my car. Anywhere that I go, this travel uke is with me because you just never know when you're going to need your ukulele. And so to enter the contest, all that you have to do is leave a comment in the comment section below of this video. It can be a random phrase or a random word, but what I'm going to be doing in my next video is that I'm going to be putting all those phrases and words together and writing a song out of it so that we can say that we created something together. It's just, again, a way for us to celebrate this milestone. And I'm going to be also announcing the winner of this contest in that video. So look out for it. Be a part of the contest. You definitely want to win this sweet ukulele. It sounds great too, by the way. Yeah, and it feels great too. So win this ukulele, be a part of the contest, and then don't forget to keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.